Detail, get in here! Yeah, let's go! We will hunt every single one of you sons of bitches down!
You think America can't find you?
No need, General. We're coming to America.
Contract says no weapons. Not on this kind of op.
Who needs to know?
General McGowan. But this might make you feel better. Little souvenir I picked up in Indonesia.
Thanks, Vic, but if I need a karambit for aerial recon, we've got bigger problems.
Can't hurt. Hey, where's Charlie with that sat phone?
Hey, sorry. Just putting the finishing bits of awesome on this puppy. Signal skips base combo completely.
What for?
Keeps the DOD types from backseat driving.
That's why you're here, kid. Sam. Let's move.
Uploading. We're in.
Teams, this is King. We are go.
Han says go.
Bishop says go. Knight says go. Rook is go.
Queen says go. Anything else, Chief?
Let Sarah know I'll be offline for a few days.
Sarah, she's still single, right? No? I'm gonna take that as a no.
Stop hacking base IT. We're guests here.
Yeah, but they make it so easy.
Video's up.
Engaging 2 hostiles.
I've got it.
Site F encryption keys, 40 days until expiration. Hostiles are down.
Let's go.
Bishop's been hit.
Jam everything and move out. The blacklist is live. Now.
Anderson Tower, this is Paladin 02 requesting permission to lift off. Do you copy?
Radio out?
Radio's working fine. Anderson Tower, this is Paladin 02 requesting permission to lift off from Chopper Pad Alpha 9er. Well, we're behind. Fuck the protocol.
Need to make it back in time for McGowan's Texas Hold'em game?
How do you think I'm paying for the chopper?
Leave him. Bravo team, report.
Bravo is go.
Move in.
Holy shit! Mayday, mayday, mayday! Paladin 02, we're going down! Hang on!
We make the base.
Just outside the perimeter. Shake a light. We're a big target out here.
Vic, give me a hand. I'm stuck.
Charlie's cell phone.
Yeah.
Holy shit, you guys okay? What the fuck is happening?
Chopper's down. We're fine. Munitions depot must have been hit. Where are you?
Hiding under a truck with my laptop? Listen, guys, all the radio channels are down. It's gotta be an RF jammer. There's a signal northwest of you.
All right, you sit tight. We'll find the jammer.
Come on.
Yeah, I'll bet those sons of bitches are using one of our jammers.
What makes you say that?
That's what I do. Eyes open, Sam. The guys behind this are pros. We're not even packing sidearms.
Drainage ditch will give us some cover.
Jesus, that's not mortar fire.
Sounded like Katyushas.
He's right there. I'm on it. Everyone spread out and keep searching. Vic, don't move.
Ah, shit. Okay, all clear. Quick, give me a boost on. Hostiles, grab cover.
Copy.
It's one friendly, two hostiles. You take the one on the left, I got the right.
Hey. Yeah.
Get the camera going.
Bro. Poor bro. They're bringing him down now.
Hey, dumbass! He's bleeding out, but he's not going anywhere. Block the cover. I'll stabilize it. You take out the jam.
All right, Vic.
We know the planes and the missiles. They can find it. Die like anyone else.
This is the way they want me to come.
The strategy should be solved. They go to maximum damage. damage. No previous special effects.
All right, as soon as your way.
Ve, estás cubierto.
He's right there. I see him.
They've gone amazing. That's just what I need. Without the planes and the but they can die like
This is the way they taught me to be around.
the instructor should be shot. No damage. No previous special effects.
All right, as soon as your way.
That's just what I need. Without the planes and the missiles, they can fight it all.
But they can die like anyone else.
This is the way they taught me to be around.
The instructor should be shot. They go to maximum damage. No previous special effects. That's just what I need. Without the planes and the missiles, they can fight it all.
But they can die like anyone else.
This is the way they taught me to be around.
The instructor should be shot. They go to maximum damage. No previous special effects.
All right, as soon as your way.
know the planes and the missiles. They can find it.
This is the way they call it.
This strategy should be shot. We're going for maximum damage. No previous special effects.
All right, let's do it your way.
You know how to disable that thing?
I'm working on it. How's the kid?
Don't ask.
Charlie, we're in.
All right. All you need to do is disable the voltage oscillator and disrupt the competing signal.
Just hold still. No talking, okay?
Charlie, how about an on-off switch?
Do you see a blue button?
Yeah.
Hit it.
What are you saying? What are you telling me, buddy? What are you telling me? Jeez.
Jammer's offline, Vic.
You can't stop the blacklist.
Grenade!
Word of a stunning attack on the massive U.S. military installation on the island of Guam.
The deadliest strike on a U.S. base since Pearl Harbor.
A group calling themselves the Engineers has claimed responsibility.
Released an internet video complete with chilling footage from the attack to lay out their demands. They're calling the attacks the blacklist.
The blacklist.
The blacklist.
America.
This is the blacklist.
The blacklist. One new attack every 7 days. We have one demand. You have soldiers in 153 countries. Bring your troops home. Your troops home. Now. Or every week, we will attack you. We will not negotiate. You will not stop the blacklist. You have 7 days until the next attack. The choice is yours. We are the engineers. We are the engineers.
What's our status?
Paladin 1 and the 4th Echelon team are ready, Madam President, but we can't locate Mr. Fisher.
His friend is fighting for his life. Find Victor Cost, you'll find Sam. Hundreds dead in Guam, a countdown to more attacks targeting America. The world is looking for answers, Mr. Fisher, and I don't have any. 4th Echelon needs to find them, and it can't do that without a leader.
It's distro, Vic. One of Vic's men comes with me, no questions asked.
You can have Charlie Cole. And Grimm's daughter has recruited one of the CIA's best for mission support, Isaac Briggs.
And Grimm is out.
She didn't want you on this mission either. Sorry, Sam, that's a non-starter. Nobody works better with you than she does. Welcome to 4th Echelon, Mr. Fisher.
It's pretty sweet, right?
First time in a plane.
No?
How deep are we with this engineers organization?
Nothing yet. Briggs and our contacts are isolating probable candidates.
What about the names? American Freedom, American Blood.
Potential attacks, each with a timer.
We got 5 days before American consumption.
And counting. We're running analytics to find the target locations as we speak. I'll get you up to speed on the plane.
Prototype military transport.
Loaded with custom modifications. Armory, infirmary, holding cell. Every resource that you'd have on the ground.
Fully mobile. It's like the good old days. Problem, Briggs?
Just got my subdermal radio put in. Felt like someone used a jackhammer.
This puppy makes Air Force One look like a paper airplane, hey Sam?
Do you want to discuss potential upgrades?
Later. Walk me through this.
News and internet data mining, predictive analytics, photo and video forensics.
Plus backdoors into foreign ELINT systems and facial recognition integration from the CIA, NSA, DCS, FBI.
All in real time.
This is what you were bragging about? Yes, am I?
Strategic Mission Interface. We've made significant improvements since the early system Charlie worked on. I'll let him get you up to speed.
The best thing is, you can control everything from right here or from your OPSAT when you're on the ground.
Impressive.
Okay, well, let me know if you need anything. I'm gonna check out my new digs.
Thanks, Charlie.